Hi everyone. Last couple of weeks, last 3 weeks of the semester, wanted to give you a kind of heads up of where you kind of need to focus your efforts a little bit. Okay, so as kind of talked about a little bit on Canvas, I have kind of finished this semester a little bit early in terms of new material because you have that 102 final, which is really a 101 and a 102 final. So you got two syllabi of general chemistry to get through on that final. That's why I want to give you all this time to review. Okay, so first thing, make sure you have the ACS General Chemistry Study Guide, okay? And spend as much time as humanly possible studying questions from every single section on the ACS book, okay? Balancing an equation from 101 is worth the same amount of points on a multiple choice as, second order kinetics or something, okay? So those harder topics maybe you've seen in 102, that's less than half of the material, okay? So that firm understanding of 101 can really kind of save your grade, okay, if you're worried about that, okay? So, focus the next 2 to 3 weeks almost entirely on review from the ACS book. We do have one more quiz left, but it's it's going to be a pretty kind of straightforward quiz. Okay, nuclear chemistry probably. All right, so that's that. Also, obviously there are office hours on Thursdays, but what I'm willing to do, and I'll post at water cooler chat with maybe some dates and things. If you want to kind of come with another person to like just an impromptu office hour, literally any time during the next couple of weeks, you're welcome to do so. Okay, because I know everybody can't make it on a Thursday at 9. Tuesday at 9. No, Thursday at 9. Oh, getting old, right? So, yeah, so think about that. Look on water cooler chat. Maybe pick some dates you want to come with a person to a kind of just an impromptu office hour. But before you come, of course, make sure you've gone through questions in the ACS book and that'll help you solve the ones you're having problems with, okay? Don't just come through thinking we're going to talk about things. We're not. We're going to discuss problems you've had with the ACS book because I want you to try the ACS questions before coming to an office hour, okay? So you kind of do the work, alert me of problems, we fix those problems, then we're on to the next round, okay? So, the more you come, the better your grade's going to be. Don't think you can fix this last minute. You can't learn 2 semesters of chemistry in a week. You can't, right? So get on this as soon as you can, okay? Get on this as soon as you can, and hopefully I'll see you guys in an office hour, okay? Oh, and your final, I'll post as soon as I know the details. If it's the same as 101, it's I think the first 2 weeks of finals week, and it's like any 2 hours in that 2 days, right? So I'll follow up with an announcement later, but it's probably going to be, I think, 17th and 18th, or 16th and 17th, somewhere around there. And yeah, you just go on Canvas and you do the ACS final. Now the thing about the ACS final is there's no going back to previous questions. So as soon as you've submitted an answer, you're kind of done, right? So make sure you think about each question consecutively as you go, because there's no going back once you've submitted. Okay, so bear that in mind when you do that test later. All right, any questions? Discussion here or at water cooler chat. And as soon as I get this posted, I'll go and put something up at water cooler for extra office hours. Okay, so make sure you're taking advantage of that. All right, see you soon.